We are ready to rumble. I don't know why I said that because that's not really a saying. Hey guys, it's Melanie. Long time no see. It feels like I haven't filmed in the fattest minute, and to be quite honest with you guys, I didn't think people wanted to see hauls because I film so many hauls, but obviously my shopping addiction didn't stop. So I have a lot of stuff to show you guys today. Let's get started. I hope you guys enjoy, and let me know if you want to keep seeing the hauls, if you want me to step back on them, because I'll listen to you guys. Obviously, I got my hair cut because I'm impulsive. New year, new me. I don't know. People were saying I should get my hair cut, and I listened to the people. So yeah, that happened. I kind of think I look like a 12-year-old, but I kind of like it. My head feels like 10 pounds lighter because I had a lot of hair. It takes like an hour to get my hair cut, but yeah. Let's get started with the haul. Okay, so we're gonna start with getting a few things out of the way. This stuff is from Zaful. If you didn't see my like teddy coats video, I also got a few things from them that weren't teddy coats, so I'm gonna be showing you guys those things real quick. First off, I got this really chunky knit sweater, and it's kind of like a cardigan sweater. Like, it has buttons, but I would wear this as a sweater, not a cardigan. It's really huge, so you can see what it looks like on the try-on because you're probably not getting the gist of it right now. But it's real nice and chunky, good material, or like good quality, I guess. Guys, trying this stuff on is going to be a freaking pain. I don't even know. And then I got these pants. I really like these. They were really affordable too. They're like the gingham plaid whatever print, and I've been loving like pattern pants and stuff. Oh, they do have pockets, which is good. I just wish they had a button here. I don't know why. It just makes me kind of uncomfortable when they don't have a button. I feel like it's kind of weird, but they just have like an elastic waistband, which is still fine. Still looks cute. I'll just wear like a sweater to cover it or something like that. Next off, I got this. I wore this in some photos. I love this, and it's just a turtleneck sweater. It's ribbed and white. We all know your girl loves her like turtlenecks right now. I've been loving like turtlenecks with like necklaces on top, and just like turtlenecks in general. I've just been really digging it, and this is great quality. I would pay a lot for this, and this was really affordable. Okay, I got this because honestly I don't have a reason. I was at like Marshall's, or no, I was at TJ Maxx, and y'all know when I go there, oh, bad things happen. First, I'm supposed to be on a cleanse. Like, I'm supposed to not be buying clothes. Second off, I'm not supposed to be buying like college clothes because like I'm donezo with that. But then you'll see in this haul I bought a bunch. Yeah, okay. So I got this. This is a Yuda crew. I just really like the color. It's yellow. It's also Champion. My weakness is I love yellow and I love Champion. I don't know, I'm obsessed with Champion at the moment. I'm probably gonna crop this or do some kind of DIY because it's kind of just a plain, boring, like long hoodie. Not hoodie, crew neck. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's really good quality, embroidered. And it was only like $16. It was $17. These usually go for a lot more, especially when it's like sold at the like college bookstore. I just got one thing from Urban Outfitters. I usually don't shop there, but this thing was really affordable, so it was good. This was only $6, and it's just a plain tee. It's like ribbed, and it's like this mustardy yellow color. I've been dinging this. The warm tones, spring, as you can probably tell. Love it, love it. Like tucked into mom jeans with like a little belt or something like that. Also from Forever 21. Of course, I only got one thing there, but every haul has Forever 21 in it. It's really bad, but this is from way back, Cyber Monday or something. I just got this. It's not really ribbed, but it's just a turtleneck, but then it has the lettuce trim. I swear, y'all told me it has a different name, but I forgot what it was called. But it has like the lettuce trim on the sleeves and the collar and the bottom, which I think is such a nice little detail. And I got this for really cheap because it was on Cyber Monday, so it was like on sale, and then on top of it, it was like an extra 30% off or something like that. So that was pretty awesome. Thanks Forever 21, you guys rock. I got some stuff from Garage. I love Garage now. I got this crop long sleeve, and I've been loving fitted tops because I just like wearing mom jeans and then long sleeves, and like, I don't know, I have a really simple style. I think I also bought this stuff on Cyber Monday, so they were having like 40% off or 50 off the entire website, so it was, I think it was 50 off, so it was really affordable. Lettuce trim on the sleeves and the bottom, which I really like, and I also am a sucker for stripes. A lot of stuff from Garage reminds me of stuff from Brandy, but then it's cheaper. So I got two of these tops, and these look really similar to these tops from Brandy, but it's just the button down collared, except I actually like the Garage ones more because it's like super soft. The Brandy ones are kind of like a thicker material, which is like either way is fine. I got them for like $10 because it was Cyber Monday deals, and as you can see I still have the tag on it because I don't let myself wear stuff until after I film my hauls. So I haven't been wearing any of this cute clothes so far, but now I can because I finally am filming this haul. It took like 2 months. I got it in this burnt orange, which I really love this color, and this dark dark evergreen color, and I really like this color too. I feel like they're both really good, like winter, fall. It's not even fall colors. I have to show you this top. This is also from Zaful, and I swear I've ordered this like 3 times and I never got it, but maybe I just didn't. But it's kind of a weird material. I have no clue how to describe it. For some reason I really like this color combination. It's the dark green and it has red and blue. I just feel like it looks very like something I would wear to school. I don't know about the fit of this because it looks kind of freaking big. Like it looks like it's supposed to be a fitted top, but it's huge. So we'll see how this fits because I haven't tried this on yet. Back to Garage. I also got a pair of jeans, light wash jeans, because I didn't have any. I love Garage jeans. They're so comfy. They fit me really well. My favorite places for jeans are probably Pacsun and Garage. The last thing from Garage that I got is this top, a mock neck, and this is just really good quality. It's heathered. Now on to Brandy Melville because we all know. These sweats because I wanted like different bottoms and like colored bottoms because I think I need to mix things up. You guys voted on the green ones, and it says Seattle Athletics. Seattle girl right here. I really like these. Super comfy. I am a sucker for Brandy sweats. I got 2 more things from Brandy. I got this top, which I posted on my Instagram. I love this fit. I have no clue what it's called, but it's basically the one that's a v-neck and it's like that thing. Would probably look good if I had boobs, but I don't. Still wear it because I like it, okay? And it looks really good if you have like a nice little necklace because it just like reveals your like neck. And I've also been really into polka dots. I think they're coming back and I'm here for it because polka dots are really cute. The last thing I got from Brandy, honestly, was a tad bit of a mistake. Like, this is one thing that I definitely did not need because we all know I'm obsessed with hoodies. I don't need hoodies, but I got this one and it just says Seattle, and it literally looks like something you would thrift for like $2, but I paid like 40 bucks for this. This is my Christmas gift to myself, okay? And I'm gonna wear it all the time and I love it, so don't freaking attack me. Another thing I got is this Champion hoodie. I already stained it, which kind of sucked because I like out of all the things I showed you, like I've stained, I don't know, I just stain everything. It's really bad. The last things I got are from Pacsun. This was also during like Cyber Monday. I have one more thing, but I have no clue. Oh, just kidding, it's here. Okay, I'm stupid. It was like buy one, get one free, something like that. I don't remember. I got this hoodie, but it's like a really thin hoodie, and it's this green and purple. And I think it was a like unique, really cool color combo. Not gonna lie, I kind of regret buying this because I don't need hoodies, but at the same time, I really love it. I also got 2 of these because you know, like when you really like something, you get in 2 colors. Yeah, okay. I also have a weakness for zip ups. I love zip ups. And when I saw these, I was like in freaking love. So I got this one and I got this one. These colors remind me of Gucci, but I mean, obviously it's not. I feel so guilty filming this video. Like, why do I do this? I need to stop buying clothes. Okay guys, after this, I'm not buying clothes. Goodbye hauls. Sorry. And then I got this top, which I actually wore because I really liked it. But it's that picture of the like wave, Japanese wave painting thing. Yeah, I don't know anything about art, but I think it's really cool. And I really liked it. So I got it. Now, the last thing in this haul, thank the Lord, this haul is almost over. The last thing I got from Pacsun is these 2 packs of scrunchies, which were insanely overpriced. Like little baby scrunchies, which I know you're probably like, Melanie, you filmed a DIY on scrunchies, why are you buying them? Okay, because these are like, they're super skinny ones, so if I had to sew these myself, I would die. Okay guys, so that was my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you enjoy hauls, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias because I'm active there, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys. I've been really like keeping up with the Instagram lately, been on that Instagram grind, so pretty proud of that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and okay. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!